This morning I'm going to show my Arrows RC Cessna 1100 millimeter RC airplane, just to show the LED lights, and this is not a powerful RC airplane. So let's get rolling then. So compare this one to other Cessnas like the FMS 182 Skytrainer, the FMS 1.4 meter Skytrainer Cessna is much more agile, especially when you fly it on 4S. It's a super fun RC airplane. I think this Arrows RC Cessna looks great. And this flight is more to illustrate the LED lights. So hopefully they will show in the camera as well. So a nice upgrade to this one would actually be to run it on 3S, and I think it would really come alive. It does feature flaps also. So with flaps you can slow it down. I don't consider this to be a great slow flying RC airplane. It's not in the same class as the FMS 1.4 meter Skytrainer with flaps, because it flies really slow, the FMS one. This one you have to have more speed for it to fly. And I also think that the FMS, it's a better scale, detailed looking RC airplane. But I still think this Arrows RC, it looks nice. There's only like one really weak spot, and it's the nose gear. That I don't understand how they could have made it this way, because it's a really thin metal pin that is the main part of the nose wheel assembly. And when you do tighten it to hold it in place, the metal is even thinner. So, I mean, it's just it takes more or less a rough landing where you bump into something, and this part just breaks clean off. But the slow flying, gentle, scale flying RC airplane, especially if you have a better runway, this grass field is not the best when it comes to the weak nose gears. As you can hear, I do have an AR637T, and I bound the battery cable, so I do have full telemetry from the 2S battery. On the upside, I think this is it sounds really good, this prop and motor. It's not harsh sounding. So you can fly really gentle with this one.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
But I really can't recommend this one, because if you want to have a similar sized RC airplane like the FMS Ranger 1.2 meter RC airplane, I think the FMS runs on 3S, and it's a really simple construction. It's a better constructed RC airplane than this one. Of course, it doesn't feature any clear cockpit windows, but it flies really agile and fun. And then on the other hand, I think the FMS 1.4 then, it's a better scale looking, and it does also have this spring mechanism on the nose gear, so it's a much more robust RC airplane, and it can be flown slower and speedier. So I mean, this is not an RC airplane that I would recommend if you're looking after a Cessna kind, whether it's a 182 or 150. I think that I mean, the looks is the best part, but it doesn't fly as I want an RC airplane to fly, really. So that's why I'm doing this, just gentle flying just before sunrise, to hopefully have a good look at these LED lights also. I mean, I'm just hoping that the nose gear survive because usually it's really weak spot in this RC airplane. But I think the colors is okay. It's not the most visible one, and it's not a really powerful RC airplane.